If you're new to video editing or just looking for software that will work for you but can't decide which one from the many currently available, this video will be helpful for you. I've tested many platforms in my experience, spending a lot of time, and have chosen the best one. I want to recommend it to you. In this video, I will tell you 6 secrets that not many people know but that really make this service the best in the top 5 video editing software category. I will leave a link to the official website below this video, so let's start.
What is Adobe Premiere Pro? Cloud-based video editing solution that allows businesses to create and editing videos, add effects or transitions, and export completed footage on a unified platform. It enables users to add captions in video clips, create animated slideshows, and streamline review approval processes. Adobe Premiere Pro pricing starts at $20.99 per month. They do not have a free version. Adobe Premiere Pro offers a free trial. Pros: its transitions and ease of video editing are amazing. The best feature that Premiere Pro has to offer is the ability to nest objects and sequences. I've been using this editing software for almost 7 years, and all I could say is that it is a great software in which you can import or create fantastic animations, transitions, and titles. I love this software, and it is so much better than the free versions that are out there. Cons: I've had various rendering problems where final rendering is aborted because of strange and unknown problems. It can be hard to get up to speed on how to use Adobe products in general, and this is also the case with Adobe Premiere Pro. When using effect that fades from 0 to 100, I always get black flicker problems in the final video. If I use the transparency tool and keyframe it from 0 to 100, it works normal. I absolutely hate the user interface and user experience. This software looks and feels complicated, and I get a headache just looking at it. What is Adobe Audition? Editing software designed for audio and video editing. It helps with audio mixing and mastering, podcast recording, and noise reduction. Features of the platform include remixing, multi-track editing, white noise elimination, and sound effects. Adobe Audition offers a 7-day free trial for new users, after which the software is available across pricing tiers. Pricing and functionality outlined below. Annual plan, billed monthly, $20.99 per month. Annual plan prepaid, $239.88 per year. Monthly plan, $31.49 per month. Pros: Audition is stable DAW and the standard DSP is all good quality, particularly the time-based processes. Adobe Audition is truly astounding programming which helps to eliminate distortions, enhance the sound, and upgrade the vocals. It covers pretty much every element for sound engineering. I find myself very comfortable with Audition because I can work in high quality and produce very satisfying podcasts with great approval from my audience. I am very satisfied with the functionality of Adobe Audition because it allows me to edit my podcasts and significantly improve the audio quality of my work. Cons: I think that it still misses some tools, some plugins. I hate the fact that you can't use MIDI with Adobe Audition. Quite expensive when compared to its counterparts, plus the UI is a bit confusing at the beginning. While Audition has a lot of advanced functionality, it means that it can be difficult to onboard new users. This is why only a few people on my team use this software. What is Openshot Video Editor? Cross-platform video editing solution designed to help businesses of all sizes use a drag-and-drop interface to edit audios, videos, and images. Administrators can use Openshot Video Editor to add animation effects such as fade, flying text, snow and bounce, watermarks, 3D titles, and audio tracks, among others, to enhance the videos. Specifically designed for video editors, the multilingual platform lets teams adjust color contrast, brightness, and add time of motion effects across multimedia. Best for open source video editing tool for Windows, Mac, and Linux users, which helps with 3D animated titles, audio mixing and editing, frame accuracy, clip resizing, desktop integration, and more. There is a free version. Openshot Video Editor does not offer a free trial. Pros: Openshot is really awesome and a professional video editing software. The most important thing that it is completely free. Great use. Highly recommend to someone who is not confident with advanced, expensive software. Openshot Video Editor is a great tool to make a perfect video. It's free, and if I was starting from scratch and using these and learning along the way, I would probably love it, because I wouldn't know any better. Cons. Before finding this software, I faced many problems using different video editing software. That software was more complicated and difficult to use. So far, I don't have much problem during using of this software, but I think it is some difficulties I felt during the making of subtitles. It was a little bit of getting more time. It kept crashing on me without warning, kept crashing on me a lot of times. It's very frustrating to use when you're used to using a platform that is easy to learn and relatively intuitive. For instance, while you can see how far into a video you are, for example, 1 hour 6 minutes 25 seconds. What is VideoPad? VideoPad is a video making solution that helps video editing professionals add visual effects and transitions to create 3D videos. The platform enables businesses to import music tracks, add text for captions, and adjust video speed to create GIF videos. The system offers video stabilization functionality, which lets operators reduce camera shaking effects. It allows managers to save visuals in PSP and iPhone, share them via YouTube, and export videos in HD, 2K, or 4K resolutions. Best for anyone and everyone. Individuals, professionals, or businesses who need a video editor, be it for home use or professional use. VideoPad caters to all with its easy-to-use interface and features. Starting from $60 one time. VideoPad is also available at $99 perpetual license. Pros. Because this tool allows you to choose a different video format, so that you can make the perfect videos for YouTube, which increases the possibility of more views of the video. I am using VideoPad for a long time and I totally enjoy it when I work with it. Video editing became an interesting job for me. I would say this is a great advantage of using this tool. To edit 360 videos with VideoPad is super easy. I like to be creative with my videos and export those in a different format is a great option for me. Cons. Audio editing is confusing. Hard to tell whether it applies to all clips or just one. Sometimes seems to turn off. Why does applying one feature twice have more effect? Here we have only a limited amount of visual effects. VideoPad takes much time to render a video. Horrible upload speeds. 12 to 18 hours to export a 43-minute clip to YouTube. 2 hours for a 9-minute clip. Sometime I met export problems and import problems. What is DaVinci Resolve? Video editing app that enables production through color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and post-production audio. Best for designed to assist editors, assistants, VFX artists, and colorists to manage post-production processes for feature films, television shows, and commercials. DaVinci Resolve is available across 2 pricing tiers. DaVinci Resolve. It is available for free. DaVinci Resolve Studio is available at $357.01. Pros. The free version of Resolve is by far the most functional and feature-rich video editing software out there. It's very professional and it's great for the more advanced editor. In my opinion, the free version of the DaVinci Resolve is just as great as the paid version of Final Cut Pro. This software is amazing. It provides a seamless experience that most video editors don't. Also, this doesn't mean they lack features or important aspects as other software. And all the feedback I have ever gotten from clients about work I have done with Resolve have been positive. Cons. If you're a Final Cut user, this will take downtime to adjust to because there is so much. Rendering sometimes can stop midway if you use a lot of transition. There's a setting for that. I learned that one the hard way. It also sometimes has problems with audio output, particularly when you use more than one output device, like headphones and external speakers. The lack of marketing for the software is probably the only missing thing.